Hello students, today we are going to do experiment number 4, which is we have to separate the components of a mixture, which is the mixture of sand, salt and camphor. Okay, there are 3 components of this mixture. One is sand, salt and camphor. So you know how can we separate components of a mixture. You know that components of a mixture can be separated by physical methods. Okay, we have studied a lot of physical methods like evaporation, sublimation, decantation, right? So by using those methods we have to separate them. So how will we proceed? So we have to separate components one by one. Okay, first we have to separate any one component which can be separated by a physical method. Okay, and that component should have a different property, different chemical property, so that it can be separated. Any physical or chemical property, okay, that is different from other two. So you know that camphor is a sublimable substance. Camphor, which is chemically ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. This is camphor, ammonium chloride, and ammonium chloride is a sublimable substance. And what is sublimation? Conversion of solid directly into gas. So camphor powder, ammonium chloride will directly be converted into vapors, and we will collect those vapors. We will condense those vapors, collect those vapors to get camphor. Alright. So due to its sublimable property, because camphor is sublimable, we can separate it out from other two components. Okay. Now we are left with sand and salt. And this is very easy method. You know that sand settles down in solution. So simply by filtration, we can separate sand. Now we are left with solution of salt and water. Okay. Then you know that salt can be separated from water by using evaporation. Okay. Evaporation, water gets evaporized and salt is left. Okay. So we used 3 methods. First, sublimation to separate camphor, right? After camphor is separated out, sand and salt. Sand we separate by filtration. Okay, dissolving and filtration. We will dissolve first in water and then filter the sand, and finally evaporation. Evaporation of water, just like evaporation of seawater gives salt, similarly evaporation of this salt water will also give you salt. So one by one we will carry out these activities and separate the components. Okay. Let's begin this experiment. We have to first make a mixture of ammonium chloride, soil and salt. Okay, so camphor, which is chemically ammonium chloride, okay, and salt, sodium chloride, and fine sand. We will take these 3 chemicals into a china dish and make their mixture. So this is camphor, ammonium chloride, okay, and this is salt and sand. So I will mix these 3 substances to make a mixture. The prepared mixture. Now we have to separate its components. We will begin separating the components of this mixture. As I have told you, first we will separate ammonium chloride, camphor, okay, from the mixture, because this is a sublimable substance. It will occur, shows sublimation, so ammonium chloride in solid form directly will change into its vapors, and we will collect its vapors. To collect the vapors we will use this glass funnel. Okay, by glass funnel we will collect the vapors of ammonium chloride. Okay, so we will put this glass funnel over the china dish over our mixture like this to collect the vapors. Okay, and close the mouth of the funnel by cotton, because vapors can pass through this mouth, so we have to close it like this using a cotton ball. Now it's fine. Now let's turn on the Bunsen burner. Keep the flame low and put the wire gauze over burner. And now we will put the china dish over wire gauze and keep it undisturbed for a few minutes. So very carefully we have to put the china dish over wire gauze, and you can see there is cotton bud at its mouth and a funnel. So this is the setup for separating ammonium chloride. We will wait for few minutes until we see vapors on the surface of funnel. If you take a closer look, you can see inside vapors are being formed and collecting on the surface of funnel. You can also use a bigger china dish so that vapors do not escape from the sides. See, a lot of vapors of ammonium chloride have been formed inside the funnel, right? And we will collect it from using a spatula. In the spatula, we will collect the condensed vapors which are, so in this way, by using a spatula we will collect the condensed vapors and get back the sodium ammonium chloride, camphor. Collected ammonium chloride back. Camphor has been separated from the mixture by process of sublimation and back to condensation. They become solid again. Mixture which is left has soil and salt. So we will dissolve this mixture into water. Salt will dissolve, but soil will remain suspended. So we will separate soil by filtration or decantation. And later salt is left, which will be separated by process of evaporation, right? So we will carry out these procedures now. So we will make a mixture in water. The salt will dissolve in water, but soil will remain suspended. Filter this mixture by filtration using the same procedure as before, by using a filter paper, folding the filter paper 2 times and separating a layer and putting it into funnel like this. We shall pour the mixture into funnel like this. The filtrate which we get contains salt. It is salt solution, you can see. The solution that is coming out from the funnel is salt solution. Okay, salt solution is homogeneous. Okay, so this is salt solution, and what is left in the funnel is soil, sand. So in this way we will separate soil from salt. So the soil is left in the filter paper and salt solution has been separated out. You can see clearly. So by using a suction device we can dry the soil and get it out easily, or you can simply by using a spatula you can scratch the soil from the surface of filter paper and get it out. So now we will take the salt solution into china dish. Time water will get vaporized and salt will be left in china dish. See, amount of water is getting reduced and water is getting evaporated, and you can see some salt is getting out. So you can see we are getting salt back from the solution. So you can see clearly now salt has separated out after evaporation. So in this way we have separated last component too, we have separated salt too, and clear white salt has come back. So very carefully we will remove the china dish from the burner, and in this way we have separated all the three components, salt, soil and camphor, from the mixture. All these experiments we have performed must not be tried at home. These must be done in laboratory only. They might seem very easier to you. You may think that we can do easily at home, but do not try these at home. It can cause any accident or harm to you. So do it only in science laboratory in presence of your teacher or any guide. Okay.